everyone, my name is Luis Abraham Belonta.
And my name is Joyce
And we're going to tackle about digestive system. Digestive system. So what is digestive system? Digestive system is a network of organs that help you digest and absorb nutrition from your food. So in other words, ang digestive system, ito yung proseso ng pag-digest ng mga pagkain, and many organs are involved behind the digestive system. So next is, what does the digestive do?
Okay. What does the digestive do? The digestive system is uniquely constructed to do a job turning your food into nutrients and energy you need to survive. And next is, what is digestive important?
So what is digestive important? So digestive is important because your body needs nutrients from the food you eat and the liquid you drink in order to stay healthy and function properly. So the nutrients you receive depends to the food you eat and the liquid you drink. So what is nutrients? So ang nutrients, ito yung mga substances na nakapagbibigay ng raw materials at energy. So we have here carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins, water, and proteins. We have two types of digestive system. First, we have physical digestive system and chemical digestive system. So ang physical digestive system, ito ay ang sistema ng pagdurog ng mga pagkain, while ang chemical digestive, ito yung pagtunaw ng mga pagkain gamit ang mga chemical at iba't ibang uri ng substances. So, what organs make up the digestive system? So, we have your mouth. The mouth is the beginning of digestive tract. In fact, digestion starts before you even take a bite. So, sa mouth dito, magaganap ang unang bahagi ng parehong mechanical at chemical digestion. So, sa unang bahagi ng mechanical digestion, gumagamit tayo ng ngipin. So, meron tayong iba't ibang uri ng ngipin. Meron tayong incisors. So, ang incisors, ito yung pamutol ng pagkain sa mas maliit na peraso. Then, canine is patusok ng ngipin, ginagamit na panghiwa ng mga pagkain. So, next is molars. So, ang molars, ito yung pandurog ng mga matitigas na pagkain, at premolars. So, next is chemical digestion in mouth. So, ang chemical na digestion in mouth is ang gamit ng laway. So, ang laway ay ginagamit upang mabasa ang pagkain at dumulas sa ating digestive tract. Next is salivary glands. So, salivary glands, they lubricate your mouth and throat, aid in swallowing and digestion, and help shield your teeth from cavity-causing bacteria. In other words, ito ay ang laway. So, next is esophagus. Esophagus is located in your throat, near your trachea. The esophagus receives from your mouth when you swallow. So, sa katunayan, ang esophagus sa katunayan ng pagkain ay tatagal lamang ng 10 segundo. Sa ating esophagus, with the help of peristalsis.
Liver. The liver has many functions, but it means a job within the digestive system is to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. So, when you say bile, to make a secret bile and to process the purifying blood containing newly absorbed. It could be a green or yellow.
So next is stomach. So the stomach is a hollow organ or container that holds food while it is being mixed with organ enzymes. So ang stomach ay also known as muscular organ. So dito mangyayari mechanical at chemical digestion. So sa mechanical digestion, meron tayong longitudinal layer, circular layer, at oblong layer. At sa chemical digestion naman, meron tayong ditong, sa chemical digestion, nagkikreate ito ng digestive juice na nagtataglay ng pepsin. So ang pepsin, ito yung isang enzymes na magdadigest ng protein at magkikreate din ito ng hydraulic acid. So ang hydraulic acid, also known as strong acid, upang mapagana ang pepsin at mapatay ang bakterya na sumasara sa pagkain.
Gallbladder. The gallbladder stores is a concentrates bile from the liver and then release it into the duodenum in the small intestine to help absorb and digest fats. So, ang gallbladder ay isang maliit na organ na hugis perlas na matatagpuan sa ilalim ng atay. Ang mga paunahing tungkulin nito ay pag-imbak ng mga concentrate ng apdo, isang likido na tumutulong sa pagtunaw ng taba. The colon. The primary role of colon digestive system is to process waste to prepare it for elimination.
Next is pancreas. So pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into duodenum that break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Then large intestine. So large intestine is the long tube-like organ that is connected to the small intestine at the end and the anus at the other parts. So large intestine has four parts. We have cecums, rectum, anal canal, and colon. Next is small intestine. The small intestine is a 22-foot long muscular tube that breaks down food using enzymes released by the pancreas and bile from the liver. Next is appendix. So the appendix is a small finger-shaped organ that comes out of the first part of the large intestine.
Rectum. The rectum is a straight 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. To keep your rectum healthy, you should try to maintain regular bowel movement and avoid constipation or diarrhea. Next is anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive. It is a 2-inch long canal consisting of the pelvic floor muscles and the two anal sphincters. What are the some common conditions that affects the digestive system?
So what are the some common conditions that affect the digestive system? So first is constipation. So constipation generally happen when you go poop. So when you are constipated, your poop is often dry and hard and it's difficult and painful for your poop to pass. In Tagalog, ang constipation ay matigas. So next is diarrhea. So diarrhea is opposite from constipation because diarrhea is when you have a loose or watery poop. So diarrhea can be caused by many things including bacteria, but sometimes the cause is unknown. So next is heartburn. So heartburn, although it has a heart in its name, but actually it is a digestive issue. So heartburn is an uncomfortable burning feeling in your chest that can move up your neck and throat.
Hemorrhoids are swollen enlarged veins that from inside and outside of your anus and rectum. They can be painful and uncomfortable cause of rectal bleeding. So, ang hemorrhoids, tinatawag ding pills ay mga namamagang ugat sa anus at lower rectum. So, next is an ulcer. An ulcer is a sore that develops on the lining of the esophagus, stomach, and small intestine.